You've probably heard someone claim in your life that they don't care about money. You could have even stated it. Although this idea seems admirable in principle, you shouldn't undervalue the significance of money in real life, for better or ill. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about why money is important. Let's see what we have for you related to money. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. Why do we need money? While money cannot purchase happiness, it may provide you and your loved ones with protection and safety. Humans require money to pay for all the necessities of existence, including food, shelter, medical expenses, and a quality education. To pay for these items, you don't necessarily need to be Bill Gates or have a lot of money, but you will need some money till the day you pass away. Understanding personal finance is crucial since money is required to buy the supplies and services you require to survive. In order to ensure that you will still have enough money when you no longer exchange your work for cash, you must be frugal with your money you make and save enough for the future. It is more likely that you won't ever run out of money or experience financial difficulty if you start saving money as soon as possible. Financial freedom is achieved when you have enough money to last the rest of your life. This can happen if you save enough money and invest your money effectively. Money is a universal medium of exchange. The fact that the desire of money has been labeled as the root of all evil is one reason why so many individuals claim to not care about money. It is true that materialistic people are sometimes driven to do evil things for their own financial benefit by a fixation with money, but in actuality, money is just a means of transaction. It is simpler to exchange your labor for a wide range of goods and services when you have money. Consider the following factors while examining the importance of money and the value of money. If you didn't have money, you would have to find someone who had food and was willing to trade it for a service you could perform for them or a good you can trade for them. Such bartering exchanges are time-consuming and ineffective, not to mention a less trustworthy way to acquire the goods you require. Money eliminates the need to rely on others to give you what you need in exchange for something they might wish to deal for. You exchange money for any items or services you want since everyone understands that money has worth. This improves market liquidity, which describes how simple it is to buy or sell assets. Naturally, this only functions in circumstances where money truly has steady value, which stems from the fact that it is a limited resource. It would no longer have any value if anyone can print as much money as they desired. A centralized authority must ensure that the amount of money remains constrained in order to protect the real value of money. A central bank, such as the U.S. Federal Reserve, frequently regulates the money supply to prevent inflation, the process wherein there is too much money and it loses its value. Benefits of money. You may exchange your work for goods you value because money exists. The following are only a few of the many important advantages of money. Money gives you freedom. You can live anywhere you choose, take care of your necessities, and participate in your hobbies when you have enough money. You'll experience even more freedom, since you'll be able to spend your time as you like if you're able to achieve financial independence and have enough money to support yourself without working. Money gives you the power to pursue your dreams. You can launch a business, construct your dream home, cover the expenses of starting a family, or achieve other objectives you think will improve your quality of life if you have money. Money gives you security. You won't ever have to worry about not having enough money to pay your bills, not having enough to eat, or not being able to see a doctor when you get sick if you have enough money in the bank. You won't be able to afford everything you desire because of this, but you will be able to lead a secure middle-class life. Money gives you options. One of the nicest feelings in the world is having alternatives and the ability to choose. Removing that stress from your life is a huge relief because it is stressful to know that you are caught in a certain circumstance because you require the money or financial assistance. Despite the fact that money cannot purchase happiness, independence, stability, and the ability to follow your aspirations can all significantly contribute to your happiness. Work hard, make money, and understand how to save and invest it, since that's why it's so crucial. When you begin investing your money, it begins to work for you and spur more productivity. Ultimately, you should have enough to retire. Downsides of money. Of course, there are certain undeniable drawbacks to having money, such as obsession with money or love of money can create a host of problems. You might engage in unethical or even criminal behavior such as theft or defrauding others if you are continuously attempting to get as much money as you can. If you place an excessive amount of emphasis on money or material possessions at the expense of other people and things in your life, it could also cause issues for you and your family. You probably won't be happy if all you have is money, but have no one to live life with or anything to do. Money can lead to disagreements. There may be a lot of conflict in your life if you and your spouse or other family members can't agree on what should be done with the money. In fact, one of the main reasons why American couples divorce is money. The majority of these drawbacks have more to do with how people interact with money and their attitudes about it than with money itself. You may approach earning and saving money responsibly without letting it interfere with your daily life. Planning for the future. You should establish arrangements as early as possible to assure you will always have enough money because you will always need it. Sometimes you'll need a lot of money to achieve important objectives, like purchasing a home or covering the cost of education. You should establish precise financial goals and strive toward reaching them in order to ensure that you have the money to carry out these activities. You must make arrangements for the time when you will no longer be able to generate money through your labor due to old age or illness. The easiest way to do that may be to invest in a tax-advantaged retirement plan like a 401k or IRA. Saving money in a tax-advantage account saves you money because you do not have to pay taxes on it. Additionally, it can start producing positive returns if you invest it. A return is the amount of additional money that is generated from an investment of your money. Depending on the investment, the method by which money makes more money and the amount it makes will change. When you invest in bonds, for instance, your money is given to a party, such as a government or business, who then repays you with interest, increasing the value of your investment. When you buy in stocks, your money may rise, since you have a little ownership stake in a business that could be expanding and making money. If you had enough money saved up, you may buy a house or get a college education that would enable you to make a nice living. Additionally, you won't need to exchange your labor any longer because you can live off the profits your money generates. You have the greatest degree of flexibility in this situation since you are free to live your life however you like while having all of your requirements covered. The earlier you start saving, the more your money will be able to do for you, especially if you're utilizing compound interest. When you receive a return for your investment and a further return, this is known as compound interest. Your money may increase swiftly with its assistance. Compound interest over many years can increase a small investment into a sizable sum if you start investing when you're young. Bottom line, money is something you'll always need. Working for a living can seem like a bother, particularly if your job is boring and you don't enjoy it. Money still validates your work, though. You obtain something of worth that enables you to live your life because you are paid for your effort. Having enough money may be extremely freeing since it allows you the opportunity to buy what you need and do whatever you want, even though the pursuit of wealth has the potential to corrupt if it goes too far. Keep in mind that it is your responsibility to save so that you can use money to create your future. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.